Hey, welcome back. Thanks for joining me. I really appreciate you being here. Today's going to be a special day for me and my wife. This is our 35th wedding anniversary. And I asked her, I said, where do you want to go out to eat? She said, I would rather you cook me a steak at home. So, guess what I got? Look at these babies. She's going to be eating steak. She's going to remember me for the next 3 days eating this steak. So, let's get going. Okay, what I have here is I've got 2 Tomahawk Ribeyes. They're 2 3/4 pounds each. I call them a ribeye on a stick. So we're going to get these seasoned up and we're going to get them on the pellet smoker. And then we're going to reverse them. I'm going to show you how we do all of this. This is going to be a perfect steak. Okay, we're just going to keep these real simple. What I've got here, I've got 4 tablespoons of ground black pepper. I've got 2 tablespoons of coarse kosher salt and 1 tablespoon of granulated garlic. And that's all we're going to use for the rub on this because I want the flavor of this meat to come out. These are excellent ribeyes right here. So we're going to start off, we're just going to put a good coat on here, pat it in. And this is why I call it the ribeye on a stick, because you can pick it up, you can do what you want to with it. Just season it up all the way around. We're going to be doing these on our pellet smoker. And these are going to be, if you want to do a perfect steak on your pellet smoker, I'm fixing to show you how to do it. We're going to be reverse searing them. We're going to do everything on our pellet smoker. So we got that one seasoned up. We're going to start on this one. Okay. Get this one all seasoned up here. There we go. I've already got the baked potatoes on there. Or the potatoes I'm baking on the pellet grill. Get this all seasoned up real good. Like I say, I just want to keep this real simple on this because I want the flavor of the beef to come through. And we're going to be using pecan pellets with this. That's just awesome on your for doing beef. Pecan is great on briskets and any other type of beef that you do. Okay, I've got these done. We're going to let these set for a little while, probably 15-20 minutes, let it soak up this salt and everything, and then I'll be right back. I'll show you where we go from here. Okay, our steak's been sitting about 15 minutes. Let's go get them on. Okay, we're going to set these right on here just like this. These on. Now I'm going to put a probe in each one. Just like that. Okay, we're going to take these to about 120 degrees. Then we'll have them off. Okay, our steaks have hit the internal temperature of about 120. We're going to go pull them off right quick. Then we're going to jack up our pellet smoker up to 400. And when it reaches 400, we're going to reverse sear them. So let's go get them off. Okay. Get my gloves on. We're going to pull these bad boys off. Oh, they looking good too. All right. Set these right here. And look at those. I'm going to move these over right here. Let let them bad boys heat up. Get my gloves off here. We'll get these covered up. And as soon as our pellet grill gets, just gonna cover them lightly like that. As soon as our pellet grill gets up to about 400 degrees, we're gonna get these back out and we're gonna reverse sear them. Be right back. Okay, our pellet grill's up to 400 degrees. Let's get these back out here. We're gonna reverse sear them now. Okay. Let's get these on here just like this. All right, we'll be right back. Okay. Now, I'll turn these over just like that. Okay. Let's give it one more minute. We're going to turn these over just like this. Like that. We'll go for one more minute. Okay. Flip them one more time. Just like that. Let them go one more minute. Pull these off. Take them in, we're going to let them rest. All right. Okay, just got our steaks off. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cover these up with aluminum foil again. Man, they smell amazing. So we're going to cover these up and we're going to let them rest about 20 minutes. Then I'll be back. We're going to cut one of these babies up and try it out. Okay, our tomahawk steaks are done. They've rested for 20 minutes. They smell really, really good. I'm ready to tear into them. But before I do, the rub we used on these was real simple. It was 4 tablespoons of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of coarse ground kosher salt, and 1 tablespoon of granulated garlic. We put it on there. We let them sit for a while to soak in a little bit. We put them on a pellet smoker with pecan pellets in it. Run it low and slow till they've reached internal temperature of 120. We pulled them off. We put our grill grates on there. We run the temperature up to 400. Let it get good and hot. Then we seared them. Pulled them off. We let them sit. Covered them with aluminum foil. Let them sit for 20 minutes just to rest. That's it. You want a perfect steak? This is how you do it. Look at this. Look how juicy they are. I'm fixing to cut me a little piece off of this right here on the end. Man, look how tender that is. I want you to look at that. That is perfect. That's medium, and it's absolutely perfect. You want to do a perfect steak? That's how you do it. Cut me a little piece off of here and give it a try. Oh my goodness. I gotta have me another piece of this. This is good. Oh my. This is perfect. This is perfect for our anniversary. Perfect. I want to thank everybody that stops by, all my subscribers, everybody that watches my videos. I truly appreciate it. If you like this video, you get something good out of it, go down, hit the like button. If you don't, hit the dislike button and in the comments, tell me why. Tell me what I've needed to do different. Tell me what you would do different. I want to send a special thanks out to all the men and women that are serving in law enforcement and all of our first responders that protect us and keep us safe every day. And I want to send a special thanks out to all the men and women in the military and to all of our veterans who have been willing to give up the ultimate sacrifice for our freedoms in this country. Thank you very much.